When our gorgeous rescue dog Isabel passed away in 2012 at almost 17, there was a huge hole in our family. After much consideration, we decided to look for another rescue dog to foster. My young daughter wanted a squishy-faced dog. We couldn't resist 2-year-old Kilo the pug's cute little black face from Homeward Bound Rescue. We started fostering him August 4th, 2014. His background was not entirely clear, but apparently he'd already been through 4 homes in his 2 short years. We were lucky number 5. He bonded with me immediately and also with my daughters and other kids. Not so keen on other dogs, cats, or strangers, especially men. When he arrived, he knew how to sit, but that was about it. He was poorly house-trained, poorly socialized, and very anxious and reactive. Luckily, Kilo is extremely food motivated. We started training him immediately using positive reinforcement with treats, toys, and cuddles. He's now crate trained, toilet trained, well, mostly, and knows tons of tricks. He's a great little ambassador for rescues, and he even likes strangers now if properly introduced with treats. I'm pleased to say we foster failed and adopted him, of course. We realized he was in his forever home. In fact, my kids call him the favorite child. He's the friendliest, most affectionate, funny little love bug.
So glad I took the chance and let tenderness flow free. I thought I rescued you, but now you are rescuing me forever. Straight from the heart forever. A brand new start forever. The best of friends.